You're welcome to provide a solution given this nice exponential equation, which is 8 to the power x. This is equal to 84. So what is the value of x? Now we have 8 to the power x. This is equal to 84. To solve for the value of x, we introduce the natural logarithm on both sides. We have log 8 to the power x. This is equal to log 84. The next step here, log 8 to the power x. This is actually the form of log a to the power n, which you can express as n log a. Applying this exponent property, applying this power rule property of logarithm, we'll have that log 8 to the power x becomes x log 8. This is equal to log 84. Let's divide both sides by log 8. So that now we'll have x is equal to log 84 divided by log 8. Now 84 can be expressed as, this is the same thing as 21 times 4. Let's substitute this. So x is equal to log 21 times 4 divided by log 8. Now you find that log 21 times 4, this is in the form of log a times b, which you can express as log a plus log b. So applying this logarithm property, you find that this is x is equal to log 21 divided by log 8 plus log 4 divided by log 8. So in this case, we can express 4 as 2 to the power 2, and you can express 8 as 2 to the power 3. So let's substitute this. So x here is equal to log 21 divided by log 2 to the power 3. Now plus log 4, which we can express as log 2 to the power 2, divided by log 8, which is log 2 to the power 3. Now we have that x is equal to, this is log 21 divided by log 2 to the power 3. We can express this as 3 log 2 plus log 2 to the power 2. This can be expressed as 2 log 2. Log 2 to the power 3, this can be expressed as 3 log 2. Okay. So in this case, let's simplify here. Now let's simplify here. Log 2 and log 2 simplifies, so that x is equal to log 21 divided by 3 log 2 plus 2 over 3. So this implies that x is equal to, now we can express this as 2 to power 2 divided by 3 plus, this is log 21 divided by 3 log 2. Now log 21 divided by log 2, this is in the form of log a divided by log b, which we can express as log a to base b. So applying this property, we'll have x equal to 2 over 3 plus, this is 1 over 3 log 21 to base 2. So this is the value of x. So this is the value of x. Let's verify that this value of x satisfies the equation. Let's verify here. So if you recall, we end that 8 to the power x. This should give us a value of 84. Substituting the value of x here, we'll have 8 to the power x is 2 over 3 plus a third log 21 to base 2. This should give us a value of 84. Let's check if this is true. Now here, we can express 8 as 2 to the power 3. Let's substitute this. So we'll have 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 2 over 3 plus 1 over 3 log 21 to base 2. This should give us a value of 84. Let's simplify here. Let's simplify here. So here we have 2 to the power 2 plus, now 3 and 3 simplifies here, plus log 21 to base 2. This should give us a value of 84. The next step here, we have that 2 to the power 2 plus log 21 to base 2. This is actually in the form of 8 to the power n plus m, which we can express as 8 to the power n times 8 to the power m. So applying this property, exponent property, will have 2 to the power 2 multiplied by 2 to the power log 21 to base 2. This should give us a value of 84. Now 2 to the power 2, this is equal to 2 times 2, which is equal to 4. So here we have 4 times, now 2 to the power log 21 to base 2. This is in the form of m to the power log a to base m, which is essentially equal to a. So that implies that 2 to the power log 21 to base 2, this is supposed to give us a value of 21. So let's substitute this here. So here we have 4 times, now here we have 21 times 21. This should give us a value of 84. So 4 times 21, this is 84. And that implies that the left-hand side is essentially equal to the right-hand side. And that affirms that the value of x, which is 2 over 3, plus a third log 21 to base 2, actually satisfies the equation. So follow the steps, like this video, and subscribe.